So the third thing I wish somebody told me before I started my YouTube channel. This one is seriously so annoying. Hello kings and queens, thank you so much for tuning into this video. Today we're going to talk about 5 things I wish I knew before starting a YouTube channel. Before we get into it though, make sure you guys subscribe to this channel and join the kingdom. As you guys can see, we have a family of 20,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for that, you guys. Please go ahead and put your notifications on if you want to be notified whenever I post a video. I post videos all about how to reign in your young professional life with Jesus Christ. I do videos on finance, on school, on adulting, on my career as a management consultant. So if you have interest in any of those things, please make sure to check out the description box below where I have all my playlists, and you guys can, you know, jump around and see what your interests are. If you're starting a YouTube channel, where you're at in your journey, let's chat below in the comments. All right, you guys, the first thing I wish I knew, which is something that is hurting me right now, today, it's okay, let's swallow, is that subscribers does not equal fan base. You know, I feel like whenever people talked about YouTube before, I would just hear, oh, like, you gotta grow your subscribers, make sure everybody subscribes and everything, which is great. I'm so thankful for my 20,000 subscribers that I have today. But the issue is that not all those subscribers are actually watching all of my videos. And that's what I mean by subscribers does not equal fan base. Because the fan base are people who follow your videos, like what you're about, you know, support you and watch all your videos, comment on your videos, like your videos, and actually interact with you. Subscribers are just people who click to subscribe on your channel. Like, that's not enough on YouTube. On YouTube, you need consistency. You need to build a family. You know, we're trying to build, you know, in this kingdom is what I'm trying to do over here. But it needs to be people who are actually dedicated and actually like your personality, you know, like the videos that you put out and support everything that you do so that you can continue to grow with them. Because the fact of the matter is just because you have 100,000 subscribers, it doesn't mean you're gonna have 100,000 views on all your videos. And the way that YouTube works is that it works by views. You need to grow as your views grow. YouTube will advertise your content for you more. So if you only have, like me right now, like my latest videos, I have like 500, 300, 200 views on my latest videos, that doesn't match my subscriber count, which can be really frustrating. But that's something that I've learned, is to find out ways to learn how to interact with your audience and make sure that people who have subscribed to you actually stay. So this is something that I wish I knew before, because I would have, like, you know, researched more on how to retain that audience. And that goes to my other point, which is kind of a bonus one, which is just because you went viral, it doesn't mean you're gonna stay viral, honey. Like yo, I'm talking to myself, but it's fine, because I have one video that went like viral. I did like Chloe Ting challenge. I did a 2-week challenge, which actually, if anybody's wondering, that was real. I wasn't lying about my results. I was not lying about my before. But I think people are just subscribed them up to my stomach was actually that big. And people that know me were like, oh my god, Daniela, did you push your stomach out? No, I didn't. Like, I actually had gained weight and I wanted to lose it. Like, what is so wrong with that? But anyway, but that's besides the point. And actually, I'm on a weight gain journey now, but anyway, my life. But back to my point, just because that video went viral, it does not mean that now I'm viral. Like, you guys see my latest videos, I am not getting 1.8 million views on all of my videos. So that just goes back to my point, that just because you have a lot of subscribers, it doesn't mean that you have a big fan base. I think that experience taught me that it's important to always post videos that like match your demographic. Honestly, when I posted that fitness video, yes, you guys, I love fitness and I love working out and I love staying healthy, but that's not why I came on YouTube. Actually, it was originally, but I changed, you know, like my my plan and my goal on YouTube. So because of that, I may have gained a lot of subscribers from that video, because I did that, and then I also did another challenge of hers. So I gained a lot of subscribers from that, I believe. And they might not be interacting with my content always, because of the fact that I don't always post fitness videos. So it's something to think about when it comes to your channel and the channel that you're trying to grow. Think about your target audience, think about your demographic that you're trying to reach, and make sure to match the video with you know, who you're trying to post to. But also, you guys, I do YouTube for fun. Like, this is actually fun for me, so I'm not upset that happened, but it's something that I did wish that I knew beforehand, that hey, just because somebody has a lot of subscribers, it doesn't mean that they have a big fan base, doesn't mean that they're getting a lot of views on other videos, because it's just not true. Right, so this second one, I have never heard anyone say this, which is annoys me, but it's the simple fact that you can't change your channel email. So right now, if you guys know me from back in my days, my channel used to be called Queen Danny. Yeah, and then my email was like queendanny237, which was my Instagram app. But now it's the Christian Professional, because I wanted to kind of, like I said, I kind of refocused my channel on what I want to post about and everything like that. And everything that you see here, this is all a product of Jesus, baby. So I wanted to make sure to capture that in my channel name. But anyway, I went to go try to change my channel name to just The Christian Professional, and anything that you set up originally with your YouTube channel on this, you know, on this platform will always go to the original email that you signed up with. So because I now get paid on YouTube, and I now like receive professional emails or whatever like that, like I cannot change my email that people contact me with. So I can have like a preferred email that I can have on my YouTube page, so people can email me there. But my YouTube email will always and forever will be queendanny237, which is so annoying. I don't know why that makes me so annoyed, but I can never delete that email, and I'm always gonna have that email. And the hard thing about it is when you get like brand deals, some brands actually go to your original. I don't know how they see it, to be honest, but somehow they get the original one and not the Christian Professional one. So I constantly have to check both emails, which is quite annoying. If I knew that before, I would have really thought about what my email was before going ahead and like creating my YouTube channel with that email, because now I'm annoyed because I have 2 different emails for one channel. But what you can do is like create a new channel with another email, but I was not about to do that. So here I am with queendanny237. So if you have not started a YouTube channel yet, and if you have not posted a video on your YouTube channel yet, make sure you open a Google account with an email that you see yourself using for a longer period of time. All right, you guys, so the third thing I wish somebody told me before I started my YouTube channel, this one is seriously so annoying, but it's the fact that YouTube is so sensitive. But it doesn't make sense how it works, because you see some videos out here that are actually talking about, you know, sexual content and are appropriate, but don't get flagged for anything. But then you have my video where I posted a video about you know, the untold truths about waiting for marriage to have sex. And I was very adamant in the video that sex is not a bad word. Let me not say too much right now because they're gonna try to play me. But I was very adamant about, you know, talking about the word and saying that it's okay, like it's not a taboo or whatever. But because I said that, they flagged my video for being inappropriate for most advertisers. But then you see other videos that literally show the human body, and they're not appropriate, and they are appropriate for advertisers. Like, I don't understand how that works. But yeah, just be careful about what words you use, even if it's literally a word from the dictionary. It matters, apparently. So that video has gotten flagged, and when a video gets flagged, YouTube does not advertise it as much as it would have. And it upsets me because that video is actually doing pretty good, and it would have done way better if YouTube didn't try to play me and flag my video. But you know what, it's okay, we live and we learn. I honestly wish that I knew, you know, what YouTube flags and what YouTube does not flag before I started a YouTube channel, because I would have known before I post videos. Let me make sure that I am being intentional about what I say in the video, so that my video does not get flagged. Because when a video gets flagged, you don't make as much money as you would have on the video if it was not flagged, because YouTube is not going to advertise it as much, which means advertisers are not going to put their ads on it as much. So that's something that's real that you need to think about when you are posting your videos. Thank me later, because child, I am so annoyed that 2 of my videos are not flagged because of something that is literally not a problem. Like, I don't understand. But anyway, just take that with a grain of salt and learn from it. And I am too. Like, it's okay. It's okay. Fourth thing that I wish I knew before I started my YouTube channel is to have some pre-recorded videos before even posting one video on your channel. Because it's great to want to start, because I always tell people just start. But what I mean by just start is to record a video or 2 or 3, so that when you post your first video, you have other videos, like, you know, in your pocket to post in case you get busy. Because when you start, like, at least I didn't really have a schedule or anything like that, and if I just posted one video, I didn't know what I was going to post my next one. I didn't have a plan for it or anything like that, and that could really hurt your consistency. It's so important to be consistent, something that I'm still learning. My goal right now is to have 3 videos in my pocket, edited and like ready to post on YouTube, in case I'm not like able to record sometime, you know, just to keep myself ready, because I do work a full-time job and I do other things outside of YouTube. So I'm not always readily available to record and post a video. So something I wish I knew was to have pre-recorded videos. And also, if you have not started your YouTube channel yet, just have like a running list of ideas of all your videos that you want to do one day. It's so good to be able to just refer to that when you want to like record really quick, but like you don't know what to record. You can always check that list of ideas, and I would recommend this for anyone who wants to do YouTube, to just make sure you have that list. Have at least 15 to 20 videos on there at all times, so that you always know what you can be working on and you don't feel like you're at a standstill at any moment. All right, you guys, and the last thing I wish I knew before I started my YouTube channel is that consistency matters. So this goes along with point 4, but I wish that I had like a recording schedule. Like I knew I posted on like Saturdays and Sundays or Mondays and Thursdays or whatever it is that I stick to, because I think that would have really helped me when it came to consistency. Consistency matters, because a lot of subscribers will join, right, and they'll be like, oh my god, I love this person, and they'll subscribe to you, and you'll have like 2 videos, so they'll be waiting on your next video. But then if you don't post for like a month, they'll literally forget about you, because it's just you. It's not that I like to it's rude or anything. Like I have been guilty of this. If I like find a YouTube person that I really like and I like watch other videos and I'm waiting for another video to come out, it doesn't come out for another 2 months, I'm going to forget about them. Like, it's not like you know what I mean, it's not like I met them in person or anything. So like that can happen to you, that can happen to me, that happened to all of us, you know. So in order to avoid that from happening, it's good to have a consistency schedule where you have literally days that you post, and then you are able to schedule those posts at least a week before, so that you know that video is coming out by 5 or by 4, so they're gonna stop this video from coming out. Okay, I think that is something that would have really helped me if I planned that before I started, because I would have already had kind of been in that program. Right now I'm still trying to do that, because it's something that I'm realizing that I need to do, because my life is like there's always something going on, so I can't depend on myself to be free at the moment in time where I want to post, because literally something always comes up. So I'm working on just having a schedule, having pre-recorded videos, and then making sure that those videos are scheduled to post on YouTube, so that I don't have to worry about it that day at that time. Those are the 5 things that I wish I knew before starting a YouTube channel. I hope that these tips help you. Some of these tips people don't actually talk about on YouTube, so if you guys benefited from this, please make sure to like this video. All right, you guys, I'm gonna start a new thing, which is comment down below like the sun. Comment down below with the sun emoji if you watch the video to this point, so that people that haven't watched the videos to this point will be like, what are they doing? So just to create some fun, you know, over here in this kingdom. So yeah, comment down below a little sun emoji, and then I'll know that you is a real one. You is a real one. But anyway, without further ado, thank you guys so much for watching again, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.